everyone, so we're going to cook today salo na hindi. So these are the ingredients. We have here the biryani spices, onion, ginahalata pa ang tomato, fresh tomato, and we have here kamon, and amo nga buharat, I don't know this one, or the spices, paprika, black pepper. We have here chili powder, of course salt, turmeric powder, this one garam masala powder, and we're going to have the tomato paste. Then next is yogurt. This is yogurt, and next is the coconut powder, and of course chicken. Wala pa kabot ang chicken. And we have the Knorr cubes. I have to get the Knorr cubes. We have here the Knorr cubes. So these are the ingredients for our salo na hindi. So we're going to make that later for lunch because damo biga akong ama. Ang ambal sa lalaki, mabakal na sa restaurant, kaya hindi ko palutuon. Pero ang gusto niya, maluto, kaya hindi sa kunamian. So these are the ingredients, guys. Look at this. Diba? Dami ingredients. Yeah. So these are the ingredients of our salo na hindi. So yeah, we're going to make it later and I'll show you the outcome. Or we can do video. Let's see later, okay? So yeah, the missing ingredient is the tomato, fresh tomato, and chicken. So that's it. Bye, guys.